Every journey begins in nature.
Ripe at first light.
Picked with patience. Measured with precision.
Collected for the next step. Every berry accounted for.
Cooling begins immediately. Cooling begins immediately.
Freshness locked in.
On the way to processing. Arrival at high-tech processing.
Protected from temperature change.
Checked for perfection. The transformation begins.
Surface cleaning in action.
Washed with purity.
Sanitized with precision. Drying begins naturally. Air dried to perfection.
Quality refined by experts.
The density patterns on screen 3 are stabilizing nicely.
Yes, the weight separation efficiency is holding steady above 98%.
This tunnel ensures raspberries maintain shape under minimal pressure. Soft rollers lightly touch them, while
The raspberries enter a chamber with controlled cool airflow. The atmosphere becomes misty with chilled vapor.
The most critical transformation begins. Flash freezing. Rapid freezing locks freshness. Frozen individually for perfect quality.
Flash freezing preserves flavor and structure.
Constant monitoring guarantees consistency.
Frozen berries enter secure storage.
Individual freezing preserves perfection.
Tasting ensures flavor integrity. Assam.
Precision packaging begins.
Exact quantities for consistent products. Airtight sealing locks in freshness.
Every package is fully traceable.
Ready for distribution.
Long-term storage under optimal conditions.
Cold chain maintained throughout.
Continuous monitoring prevents spoilage.
From factory to kitchen.
Perfect for cold desserts and smoothies.
Fresh berries add color and texture.
Transformed into a breakfast delight.
Some berries are destined for puree and jam, not freezing. Intense flavor emerges as the berries are crushed. Seeds are removed for a smooth, premium puree. Byproducts become valuable ingredients. Pasteurization locks in safety and flavor. Careful heating preserves color and aroma.
Sugar and pectin transform the puree into jam.
The jam cooks to perfection.
Quality checks ensure perfect set and flavor.
Pure jam is packed safely for transport.
Concentrates are versatile and ready for production.
From field to shelf, ready for consumers.
Maximum liquid extraction begins.
Fresh juice flows with vibrant color.
Hummus is separated for secondary uses.
Clarification removes remaining solids. Concentrated juice is easier to transport.
Concentrate retains intense flavor.
Raspberry essence captures the fruiter's aroma.
Essence is stored safely for flavoring. Testing ensures perfect balance for beverages.
Bottled juice is ready for the market.
Airtight sealing preserves flavor and quality. Secure packaging protects every bottle.
Every batch is tested for safety.
Strict microbial tests guarantee safety.
Strict hygiene is mandatory in every area.
Following industry standards ensures accountability.
Daily sanitation protects product integrity. Traceable codes connect every berry to its source.
Certified quality meets global standards.
Controlled environments ensure consistent quality.
Only the best berries leave the factory.
From factory to store shelves.
The journey reaches your kitchen. Perfect for quick, nutritious smoothies.
Fresh berries enhance texture and flavor.
Transformed puree becomes a breakfast delight.
A classic pairing for a decadent treat.
Used for mousse, fillings, and elegant desserts.
Raspberry juice adds color and tartness to beverages.
A simple, elegant sauce enhances presentation.
The berry's ultimate expression, homemade pie.
The reward of the entire journey.
Simple perfection from field to finish.
Every dessert tells the story of careful preparation.
From farm to plate, every step matters.
Attention to detail ensures fruit quality.
Effortless transformation from raw fruit to delightful dishes.
Fresh market fruit delivers color, flavor, and nutrition.
A refreshing, nutritious delight in every sip.
Transformed puree brings breakfast to life. A classic, decadent pairing for desserts.
Used for mousse, fillings, and elegant desserts.
Raspberries elevate drinks with flavor and color.
bright, smooth sauces complete dessert presentation.
Berries reach their ultimate expression in baked desserts.
Every bite delivers natural flavor and sweetness.
From field to finish, simple perfection.
From field to desert, the journal is complete.